African queen. Ngiyamthanda uzodwa wami. Ikusasa le-Afrika. Siyayibona imali. Your favorite sausage, baby. Wake up, wake up. We good? Courtesy of the Naked Chef. Saved life. Corner lamp betting, eh? There you go, babe. Look, I'm sorry about last night, eh? I messed up, man. There was a jiver, zazonke lezinto lezi, eh? You good? You deserve everything good. Everything good. Sausage for your health. Keep it green. No fight, no grudges, okay? You good? Okay, babe. Amela, baby, I need 10,000 rand.
Huh?
You know, I saw these shoes, they're just stressing me. Then I saw this other suit. Brion is like Super 160, all of those things. I need to look good for you. I need to represent you. Come on, baby. They actually think I'm some boy, some tomboy who knows nothing.
Wait, 5,000, Victor.
Babe, I have a fine taste.
10,000 rand.
I have a taste for finer things in life. Look at you.
Victor, even Robert Kumeta akadla imali njengawe kuba uyasebenza. Ngikhona mina.
Am I mailing your sebenza ke namanje ukuze ngidle imali? Cabanga, imagine me, a man of my caliber, saying circle sense. Leroy Larry, Lancel Larry. Yes, Mr. Lorry. Labafana, they don't have erections, all of them. Forget Labafana lab. I'm a happy guy. I'll make you happy. That's it, babe. Mara yin gave mal give now. 10,000, babe.
Victor, mara ungicabangile isithando sami imali engaka.
We can't go down that route again, do we? Okay, babe. Come here, get babe and get your day ready, ne? Right. I'll see you just now again. Okay. Naked Chef is coming. Live from your house, okay? Okay. It's all right. Yes.